Okay, yard fanatics, welcome back to Bermuda Grass Central. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you a product that's going to help maintain moisture in your lawn. All right, and most of you guys want to keep that moisture in your lawn, and for several reasons, and I'll show you one. So yard fanatics, like I said, sometimes you'll have these stress spots right here. This particular area is highly compacted. Water runs off of it because it sits on the slope, and it's hard to maintain moisture in that spot. So BYD is about to show you something that will help change that. This particular chemical that I'm going to put down on the yard is called it's made by Lesco. It's called Moisture Manager. Now, I want to go ahead and tell you this in advance. It's going to be a little bit harder to get on Amazon. They have a product just like it, and it's called Hydretain. All right. In the video, I will leave links in the description so you can use the Hydretain. Guys, it's the same product, does the same thing. All right. But what I want to do is just basically show you how to apply it and what it does. So yard fanatics, I do have some weak spots in my yard right there. A lot of times that's because of, could have been a fungus, could be anything. But this Lesco Moisture Manager, what it's going to do is going to get down in that soil and help pull water closer to the roots. All right. So by pulling water closer to the roots, guys, that way I won't have to water my yard as much. Today they say it's supposed to get up to 90-something degrees, and it's going to get hotter and hotter and hotter. Okay guys, one of the advantages of applying this particular product or formula is that it's hygroscopic, has humectic technology in it, and it has a non-ionic surfactant in it. So don't go add surfactant in it, it's built in. What does all that mean? Guys, it basically means this. When you water your lawn or it rains, it's gonna pull that water closer to your roots. So when it's pulling it closer to your roots of your grass or your shrubs or your flowers, you don't have to water as much. So by maintaining that moisture barrier around the root zone, guys, you tend to have a healthier lawn. Okay, yard fanatics, guys, this is real easy installation, guys. Basically all you're going to need is 1 gallon of the Moisture Manager or the Hydretain. Now, Moisture Manager, this particular 1 gallon jug covers about 14,000 square feet. They want you to apply it at 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Now, if you're applying it at max rate, which is the 9 ounces, 1,000 square feet, this product is supposed to last up to 3 months. All right. So we got the sprayer. Now, guys, if you go to my stories, you'll see a little small unboxing I did. I also did one on Instagram also. Ordered these off of Amazon. I think it was like 2 for 18 bucks. The best sprayer I've ever used. I don't know what else to tell you. Now, if you want to use the ortho dial, that's fine. If you want to use that Chapin sprayer that I showed you in a previous video, that's fine. But this right here is so easy to use. Pour it in. It has 3 settings on, which means it's mixing the water and the chemical. Water, where you're just spraying straight water if you want to water in, and the offsetting. All right, then you need something to pour it in here. Guys, I just picked this up at the local Site 1 location. I'm not going to use that. I'm basically going to use this, stick that in there, pour it in there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to apply it the right way. Okay, yard fanatics, look, like I said, I picked this up from Site 1, nothing big. You might be able to buy something like this at Walmart, but I'm going to jump right to it. Now, it says 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet. That should last me 3 months. By the way, this sprayer, I will have a link in the description so you can order this off of my Amazon affiliate link. All right, this one, it does have a meter on the side. Comes with this, the straw, 3 ways to operate it. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna add 28 ounces to this right here because there is no 27 mark. I'm trying to have it so I can see it and you can see it. That's right at 28, right there, probably 27. All right, and now we're gonna pour it in here. Just get you a little funnel. You probably can use it without the funnel, but I don't want to spill anything, and I don't want to over pour it, so Let me turn it so you can see it from this. Maybe you can see that meter fill up. All right. I'm gonna sit that off to the side. Screw this on. I love this sprayer. And it has these little wings on the side so to grab onto that part right there so it won't be spinning on you. I'm gonna just tighten that up. Okay, and let's get to spraying. Okay guys, before I go any further, if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you have Bermuda grass, guys, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Ring that notification bell. Every time BYD uploads a video, you will be notified by YouTube. Okay, you're up next. Maybe a little hard to see, but I don't know. Do you see those bubbles? All right, that's normal when you're using this. It's gonna bubble up like that, and you'll see some on the grass when you get to it. Closely, you'll see little air bubbles, and it reminds you of dish detergent. You can see it, and guys, what that is the surfactant and the chemical. What you need to do is water this stuff in ASAP and get it soaked into the root zone. Okay, y'all fanatics, all that's left now is just to get it watered in. Guys, a few suggestions. Watering in sections. Don't do 20,000-30,000 square feet at one time and then wait for it to rain. Remember, this is not a plant food, so you got to wash it off the leaf surface to get it to go down in the soil. More importantly, read those directions, guys. I can't stress that enough. I'm always stressing it because a lot of guys want everything to be in a video. It's not going to be in a video. Sometimes you have to read the label to get all the information. Guys, I'll leave a link in the description for the boots, the Hydretain, because it's going to be a little harder to get this lesco online. They have it, but it costs a little bit more. And that's pretty much it. Okay, yard fanatics, this is real easy to do, and I hope these step-by-step instructions help you along. Guys, if you want to support the channel, get a t-shirt. Need to know how to water your lawn? Click here. Guys, if you have any questions about this, click here. Subscribe in the corner. You're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.